Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So I have yet another Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I had an appointment in the city yesterday and on my way to the appointment was a Dollar Tree. So I wanted to quickly run in and see if there were some new items that I hadn't seen at my usual Dollar Tree, and lo and behold there was. So I did pick up a few things, as you can see here. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off, these were the first thing that caught my eye when I walked into the Dollar Tree. These are by Crafter's Square, and they are the wood bead wreath. And how awesome is this? They are not flimsy. The wire is nice and strong to make this form, this round wreath with the wooden beads. And these will be great for DIYing, just coming up with some really creative ideas. I thought these were super nice and I can't wait to use them. So I did pick up 4, but I kind of wish that I grabbed a few more. I don't know why, but I just love this wood bead wreath. Next, I picked up this word, and it is by More Living, and it is their MDF words. This one here spells relax. There was also breathe, and I'm drawing a blank for the third one that I saw, but I did take a picture of them so you can go back and have a look. And it looks like the faux wood on the front, but it is plain on the back. And I picked this one up because this one I will be using in my bathroom by my tub. I was using this one, which is also by Dollar Tree, same type of decor, but this one is smaller, so I think I'm going to move it in my work slash guest house outside, and this one's a little larger, so it'll look better in my bathroom inside of my house. This is by Shore Living, and it is some wall decor, and I just absolutely love the color. And it is a MDF, I believe. It seems like it's wood on the front, but I think it's just carved that way. But how beautiful is this anchor? And again, I just love the color. So this was a really nice find. A table decoration that I picked up. I had not seen this at my normal Dollar Tree that I usually go to. How adorable is this? It looks like a bird cage, but it's in the shape of a honeycomb. And then there are 4 bees on the outside. No, there's 5 bees on the outside of it. So how cute is that? I thought that was really nice. And you could even put some LED light strands on the inside to light this up. Super cute. Next, I picked up some 8 buffalo check placemats. I have purchased these before, but I did use them for just placemats on my table. These ones specifically, I want to make some pillows out of them. Of course, the black and white is my favorite. They also, Dollar Tree carries the red and white and red and black as well, but I really love the black and white, so these will make some great pillows. And I like using these ones specifically because they are material on front and back, so you just have to undo one seam here at the end, stuff your pillow, and then sew it, or even use fabric glue to enclose that seam, and you have a really nice decorative pillow. And the last item that I have to share with you is from a brand called estmoi, and it is sold at Walmart.com. And I actually was really excited. In my last 2 hauls, I showed the Milk It of the line, and I was really happy to pick up a few boxes of those because when I looked it up online, I found that at Walmart.com they were selling for $19.97. So to pick these up for $1.50, that was a great deal. But when I went to this particular Dollar Tree, they had two other ones in the line that I hadn't seen at my regular Dollar Tree. And so I picked a few of those up as well. So the first one is this yellow box, which is the largest that I've seen. And it has 3.4 fluid ounces, so 100 mils. And it is an energizing treatment mist. It's called Go Out. And I did look it up online at walmart.ca. So there I just printed it out. So it sells for $19.63 US. And just a few things about this. It says that they have, or it's made with clean ingredients. It's dermatologist tested, no animal testing, vegan, and EWG verified. It's formulated with clean ingredients such as I do not say this properly, hyaluronic acid, I believe, jojoba oil, vitamin C, fruit extracts such as tangerine, apple, pear, and apricot, citrus fruits such as grapefruit, mandarin, and bergamot. Bergamot. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong as well. So again, the brand is estmoi. I didn't know that with the other one, but I noticed it when I looked up these two on walmart.com. And then the second one that I picked up is this one here, which is called Ace Balm, so face balm. And this has 1.41 fluid ounces or 40 grams, and it is a cleansing duo. So this one here, again, I looked it up on walmart.com, and it sells for $14.50 US. And it says, again, it is made with clean ingredients, all the same, dermatologist tested, no animal testing, hypoallergenic, vegan, and EWG verified. And it is formulated with clean ingredients such as noni fruit extract, evening primrose oil, green tea extract, olive oil, argan oil, and coconut seed butter. So these are really amazing products. If you haven't seen them at your Dollar Tree and you're hoping to see these, I hope they do come to your Dollar Tree because they are a really great product, clean ingredients, and it is a great deal when you can pick these up for $1.50. That's here in Canada. All our items are now $1.50, but still an amazing deal. That will do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. It'll greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. And as always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.